Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to add and remove an open house on the Brooklyn MLS using Matrix, which is the software that the Brooklyn MLS uses on behalf of its agents to access the Brooklyn MLS, to upload, edit listings, and so forth. First of all, find your listing. Easiest way is to go down to this My Listings area, go to My Active Listings, and the client, the seller, wanted to edit this listing, so let's find it. And then let's hit edit. Go to the bottom, hit edit, and then there's actually a shortcut that says open houses right here. Make sure you go to the ticket and carefully find out what exactly they want to add. So they only want to add one open house on the 27th from 11 p.m. to 1 p.m. That doesn't sound right. They obviously mean 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So if you have any questions, you can always double check with the client by replying to them, or maybe ask us quickly in the chat if you're unclear. Ask your superiors. But you can oftentimes infer, obviously 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. during the middle of the day is a much more plausible time. That's what they mean. You can also see that they didn't mark by appointment only, so this is a regular open house. So open house type, public always. Set H27, and then 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And then that's it. You just hit submit listing. But of course, you should always double check your work. You see that it indeed is 8:27, 11 to 1. 8:27, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Public open house. So then you hit submit listing, and it's been completed. You can take a look at the listing, and you'll see that the open house shows up. Remember to always take a screenshot so you can send this to the seller. This way, when you reply to the client, you can simply insert the canned response for listing update seller. And at the bottom, you can just, well, you should actually attach the screenshots, but for simplicity right now, we're just gonna paste it in. Now, if you were to remove an open house, it's quite simple. It's actually very similar. You always click on the MLS number for the listing you're looking to find, and you hit edit, and then you go to open houses, and you see that one has already been added here. So what you would simply do is the one that's already here, you would simply hit delete. So they've already taken the liberty to add one more slot for something you may want to submit. Delete, and that's simply how it works. Very simple. After you hit delete, obviously hit submit listing, and then you're good to go. You can always double check that your open house was either added or deleted by going back to the listing and just making sure that what you want is still there. So there you have it. That's how you add and remove an open house on Brooklyn MLS using Matrix. My name is Chris at Hauseit. Check you out on the next one. And of course, if you have any questions, leave us a comment below. Hit like, subscribe. If you're looking to save money when buying or selling property in New York or Florida, check us out, hauseit.com. And if you're a real estate agent looking to join us and take advantage of our vetted buyer and seller referrals, please check out our careers page at hauseit.com. We look forward to seeing you on the next one.